Today we study one of the method called variation of parameters to solve non-homogeneous differential equation. Such type of, non-homogeneous. Right hand side is not 0. It has some function. Here we restrict our study to study method of variation of parameter to only second order differential equation. Consider a differential equation of order 2. Write down in a general form of function of d, and we know writing auxiliary equation, solving it based on the root, we write the complementary function. The general form of the complementary function, how it will be c1y1 plus c2y2. y1 and y2 you will get based on the what type of roots you are getting it in a auxiliary equation. Now if I consider it, the general solution of the second order differential equation is in the form of y equal to ay1 plus by2. This is the assumption done for the method of variation of parameter, and this we consider is at complete solution, where there is a simplification to find out what is a and b, but here it is not included for your syllabus. You need to learn here how to solve the different non-homogeneous differential equation by the variation of parameter method. Hence directly the value of a and b is given. You need to remember it as a formula. What is a? A is nothing but minus of integral y to phi of x divided by w into dx plus constant of the integration. Phi of x means what? Right hand side. y2 means which one? The coefficient of c2, which you are obtaining it from the complementary function. Correct? W means it is called as Wronskian constant. It is one of the constant defined for this method as determinant y1, y2. What you are obtaining it from the complementary function, you have to write down. And write in the second row the derivative of that y1 dash and y2 dash. When you simplify the determinant, what you will get? y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. While solving the problem, we write a w in this form. Okay, y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. Similarly, what is a b? It is defined as integral y1 into phi of x. This value into right hand side of the given differential equation divided by w, thinking that it will be a function of right hand side, that when all are function of x, so we are integrating with respect to x plus constant of integration. This is the basic. Substitute this obtained a and b value in this general solution, you get it a solution of the given second order differential equation. This is the basic introduction or procedure to solve a second order differential equation by the method of variation of parameter. Now we will go to solve some problems related to that. In exam, they will ask you question like they mention it, use the method of variation of parameter, solve the differential equation. This is a given differential equation. Here we are restricting our study to second order. Observe that. Higher order, that is not there for your syllabus. Now, the question comes that why we are studying one more method to solve the second order. We would have done it with the previous inverse differential operator method itself. Yes or no? But here I can't apply it inverse differential operator method because those methods are defined it for only some standard function. Like in type 1 we studied it to find out particular integral based on the right hand side of the function. If exponential function is there, I am applying type 1 method. If trigonometric sine or cos only, if sine or cos, not other than that, if it is there using inverse differential operator, we apply type 2 method. And if right hand side you get polynomial in x, we apply type 3. So it is defined only for some standard functions in the right hand side of the differential equation. But advantage of variation of parameter means you can solve it for any function of if it is there in the right hand side. But the disadvantage in this method also, that made us to study the previous method, inverse differential operator method, because variation of parameter method, it's fine up to second order. As you may realize, as we go to solve this problem for order 2 itself, it is lengthy compared to inverse differential operator method. If more than order 2 is there, like order 3, order 4, it is very difficult to solve the differential equation with variation of parameter. But in most of the engineering problems, we come across with the second order, and other than those standard function we come across with any other function in the right hand side, we can apply the variation of parameter method. Now, first part, it is same as how you are writing the complementary function. In previous method you have studied it. Same method, write a differential equation using inverse differential operator, write the auxiliary equation, write the root or find the root of it. Then what will be the complementary function? Since it is complex root, alpha is 0, the general form is c1 into cos beta x plus c2 into sin beta x. As I explained in the method of variation, if complementary function is in general form c1 y1 plus c2 y2, so in this problem, which is y1, cos 2x is y1 and sin 2x is y2. Okay. Now, so we have written what is y1, y2. And after writing y1 and y2, you came to know from where we are writing y1, y2? From complementary function. Yes, coefficient of c1 is y1, coefficient of c2 is y2. To find out the Wronskian constant w, write the derivative of y1 dash. y1 dash derivative is minus 2 sin 2x. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. What is the Wronskian constant formula? y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So cos 2x into 2 cos 2x is 2 cos square 2x. When you minus, according to the formula, minus, and again here minus is there, so it becomes plus, and multiply this 2 term, you get 2 sin square 2x. Take 2 common, cos square x plus sin square x you will get. So what will be the final answer you will get? You know this bracket term answer is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So we found the Wronskian constant. Now to write the complete solution, I need to find out what is A and B. Now, what is A here? A is nothing but formula you have to write, minus integral y2 phi of x by w into dx. Substitute y2 is what is sin 2x. Phi of x what they have given? Tan 2x. W value we found it 2. Now before integrating, see that can you simplify this trigonometric function. Tan 2x can be written as sin 2x by cos 2x. So numerator will become what? Sin square 2x. This 1 by 2 I have taken outside the integral notation. Sin square 2x can be written as what? 1 minus cos square 2x. Now this integral you can separate 1 by cos 2x minus cos square 2x by cos 2x, where one of the term of cos 2x get cancelled. Now minus and minus outside is there, so I am multiplying to that bracket. So this term comes first, cos 2x plus it becomes and this term becomes minus. And we know 1 by cos 2x is nothing but what? Secant 2x. Now apply the integral formula. See, variation of parameter method, you may feel it difficult because here in the first part of the problem we are finding the derivative of the function. In the second part of the problem we are finding the integration of the function. Which concept you are applying, you should be little bit alert while writing the answer. Here what we are writing, integral of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 minus integral of sin 2x is log of secant 2x plus tan 2x by 2 plus constant of integration. Then this 1 by 2 is multiplied to the bracket. So sin 2x by 4 minus this term divided by 4 plus k1. So this is the a value. In the same way, we need to find out the b value. Now you know the formula or not, just make a copy of that. At the end of this topic, I will give you a list of integral formulas which we are coming across in this variation of parameter topic. I am not asking you to remember all the integral formulas what you have studied it in PUC. At the end of this concept, I am listing it out the integral formulas which come across in this method. That formulas you go through, be thorough, and before going to examination hall also study those integral formulas. It will be sufficient for you to solve the problems related to variation of parameter. Okay. Now next we are moving it to find out the b value. Same way, apply the formula of b. What is b? Integral y1 phi of x by w into dx. y1 is cos 2x, phi of x is tan 2x. Simplify tan, write it in the form of sin by cos. Cos and cos get cancelled. What we get? Sin 2x. Integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. This is a standard formula which I am listing it out later, and by heart that formula. Okay. So multiply this. So minus cos 2x by 4 plus k2, you will get constant of integration. Now we need to write the final answer. What it is? Complete solution. Yes or no? So what is the complete solution of variation of parameter method? A1 plus ay1 plus by2. So substitute a value, then substitute y1 value also, plus b value along with k2 you have to write, yes, into y2. Now observe that first term you write k1 cos 2x, k2 sin 2x. It is nothing but complementary function what you are writing in the first step, that itself. Yes, k1 cos 2x and k2 sin 2x. And multiply this to the term sin 2x into cos 2x by 4, and multiply cos 2x to the second term also. In the same way here also multiply minus cos 2x with sin 2x by 4 plus k2. Observe that here plus and minus of the same term you are coming across, which will get cancelled. So what will be the final answer? When you are writing final answer, you write down with k1 and k2 first, which will be the part of the complementary function what we studied it in the previous method, and what is the rest of that will be a particular integral method. From particular integral what we are obtaining it in inverse differential operator. So this is the procedure of solving the second order differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation, by the method of variation of parameter.